Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see about how to enhance your audio in Chrome tab, in a Chrome window. So let's get started. So I'll play a video of mine. So this is the regular sound, the original sound. So let's try enhancing it. So I'll just show how to do it. So just search. So this is the tool which I'm using. So you could even control the tabs in if you're using a tab and you wanted to, if I'm playing two videos side by side and I wanted to minimize the sound of this video, I could go over here and I'll have many tabs over here which as it's shown over here, and I'll just minimize and maximize the sounds. So I'll show you how to do it. It'll be like this at the starting. Volume master offered by Beta someone, and after you'll be in this stage, and the link I have posted this link. So over here we have add to Chrome option. I'll just copy it before. So that's all. It's added over here. So, but it won't when you have to go over here and choose it and then pin it. So it'll be over here and you could be able to easily control the audio. Thank you guys. Meet you in the next one.